So I'm just going to do parts of this trip. This is the first part. We have made it here. We are now walking up a levee to, we've been told there's redfish over here in the Mississippi River, so hopefully we will get in the Mississippi River redfish and catch something. Nathan, we're putting your paddle tails to the test, sir. If they work in the Mississippi, they're going to work anywhere, I think. But coming over the levee and look there. Good old Mississippi River. Golly. Look at the waves down there. Holy crap. Where? We got action, people. We have action. Let's hopefully get on some fish. Come back to you, folks. There's our mothership for tomorrow. And we're going to use it to get back into the marshlands and get on some fish. About to load up all the kayaks on here. I mean, I know I say all the kayaks like there's a bunch, but 3 kayaks that are going on this boat. And we're going to hit it not early in the morning, but early enough to get on some fish. Good morning, people. We're going to eat breakfast and get ready to get on the water. It's not too bad outside. Nice and sunny. Now the question is, can we get on some fish? I think we will. Ty, you think we're going to get on the fish, man?
Probably not.
Probably not.
They don't catch fish down here.
No fish down here, huh? No fish. Get back at you guys. Yes, sir.
Ninja.
It's cold.
I'm trying to figure out where we are. I know where we are, but I don't know where my thing is. It says go to Falco Canal. Falco Canal? That's South of Oklahoma. Yeah, right here.
Good morning, guys. We have started our day off out here in the good old marshlands. I'm on a Kaku paddleboard. This is a new experience for me. I have never, and I repeat never, have been on a Kaku paddleboard. But with everything being said about this Kaku, it is a very comfortable paddleboard to be on. I really like it. Oh, there's bait popping already. But yeah, we're out here in Venice, and we're gonna try to get on some good redfish. We've heard the trout have been going pretty crazy out here. So you know, I'm definitely anxious to see what creatures there are wandering around out here in this marshland. We did come across some nutria. We saw a nutria that was sitting on the bank, and looked like he was getting his good old morning drink going on. But yeah, I'm gonna get to fishing, guys, and get away from all this talking and try to get some action for you out here in Venice, Louisiana, LA as they call it. And see if we can't get some fish for you guys, and we'll get back at you. All right, guys? Fish on. First fish in Venice. He's running straight towards the boat. Come on in to Papa. Oh! Check that out, Nathan. Tell me if that ain't a good fish on your jig. That's a good one, my friend. Woo! First Venice speck. Golly, he's healthy. Oh my gosh. Woo! Look at that, people. Is that a good fish or what? Venice, Louisiana. You need to come down here and check this out if you haven't. This is phenomenal. Awesome. Look at that mouth. Big old yellow mouth, people. That thing is beautiful, isn't it? What you doing over there, Ty? You want to keep him?
Yeah. Put him on your chair.
You want him? Throw him in? Yeah. All right, people, we're letting this one go. Bye, fishy.
Too big.
Fish on, people. Fish on. A little early, but a little late on my recording, but here's a fish for you guys. Nathan, once again, Speck's doing his job. Or the Speck. Listen to me. You know what I got on my mind? Fishing. Anyways, yeah, guys, here's another nice Louisiana healthy Speck on a Nathan paddle tail. Another success, Nathan. I'm telling you, that chartreuse and new penny, man, that's it. Beautiful Speck. Good teeth on them. Nice. Fish on. Fish on, people. I'm gonna put my stakeout pole right here. That's a beautiful, beautiful trout. Man. But yeah, I gotta get my stakeout pole rigged for me to face the other direction. Another good trout. I just released that other one. But Nathan, another good trout, man. These lures are producing here in Venice, son. On the Kaku paddle boards, the fish are on. Fish are on, people. Fish are on. Look at that. Look at that healthy trout. Louisiana trout, man. That's a good trout. If I had to guess, he's probably in his 20s range. Good fish. Nathan, man, I'm telling you, these paddle tails are killing the Specks. Killing the Specks. Fish on, people, fish on. Woo! It's a good redfish. Heck yeah. Look at that, look at that. Ah! Huh? There was like 3 of them with him. Oh man. That's a pretty redfish. It's sitting on the deck. Look at that joker. Sweet. What? Oh, he's blowing 16 out of the water. Oh, hey, big beautiful. No thanks to you, Ty. Brought me over here to this awesome place and finally smoked a redfish. Check him out. Heck yeah, man. How can you give a plate, boy? Check that out, people. Nice. Well, we're going back in. Sun's setting, we're gonna go get food. Back at the marina, gonna load the boat up and go get food. Hopefully, I think that's our plan. There's a white pelican way across the way. You can't see him, but he's over there right in front of those boats.